Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my get ready with me, and this is truly how I do my makeup every single day. So starting here with my Fenty Beauty Primer, and obviously I put on way too much, but that's okay. I do find that when I don't wear primer, my makeup always will smear onto my children's faces because I mean they're just all over me all day long. And for foundation, these two together are my favorite combo of all time, and it is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear and the All Day Luminous. I am in the shade Tahoe, and I really just use a pump of each, spread it all over, and just blend it in as fast as I can. From beginning to end, my makeup routine is probably about 10 minutes or so, maybe less than that. And for concealer, my favorite drugstore right now are these L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. I just find that it actually covers my dark circles from not getting enough sleep, and it doesn't break the bank. And if you guys are going to use this as a contour like I do, the tiniest bit goes a really long way. And my favorite brushes right now are the IT Cosmetics. I use them for my entire face, and I mean that goes for foundation, concealer, blush, contour, absolutely everything. And to set that all in place, I go in with the Huda Beauty baking powder. I use the shade Blondie. I technically don't really bake with this. I more so just use it as a setting powder. I find that baking on my skin just kind of dries me out. And to set in my contour, I use Nars Casino. Since the contour concealer shade that I use is pretty dark, I go in really light with this bronzer. And for blush, it's always something random. Today I'm going to be using MAC Ambering Rose. It's probably my oldest blush that I own, but it is one of my favorites. And I also just wanted to say that I am not a makeup artist, nor do I claim to be one. I am just a mom who likes to be put together on a daily basis. So here I'm just brushing away the baking powder. And to set that all in place, I'm using the Maybelline Master Fix facial spray. And now, trying to look even more awake, I will use the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This one is so black and so smooth, you guys will love it. But I really just do like a small little wing on the ends of my eyes, just so that I can somehow look like I'm awake and got a ton of sleep last night. And for tight lining, I love the Maybelline Master Precise Skinny Gel Pencil. It is so black and it stays in place all day long. After curling my lashes really quick, my favorite drugstore mascara is this L'Oreal Luminous. I've been using it since high school and it is still my favorite. And to finish the makeup off with lips, I'm using a Bite Beauty liner and a NYX matte lip in the shade London. And moving on to this mess on my head, I didn't get time to blow dry my hair last night, so I'm going to try to do it now. And if you guys see me talking throughout the video, I am speaking to Elle because she decided to wake up from her nap extra early today. And my hair was just washed last night. I don't think I even bothered to comb it, so there is no product whatsoever in it. And I am such a huge fan of this Revlon oval blow drying brush. I use it every single time I need to do my hair, and it gets it done in a fraction of the time. And I do have an entire video just dedicated to this brush if you guys are interested. And today I really had no method in using it. I just divided my hair into 4 sections and continued to roll the brush down my hair. And so far I've spent an entire 4 minutes on my hair, and as you guys can see, the shine is unreal. And that is pretty much it. So from start to finish, including my hair and makeup, it took me about 15 minutes. And let's say I didn't do my hair, it probably would have only been less than 10 minutes. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the section below, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye!